Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm at the other angle of the kitchen, just because I put the light here. But so I have this here, the ANJ Outdoors. It's a running belt, but I got this because I'm going out of the country soon. And I want to be able to take my passport and stuff like that, kind of hide it under there if I need to for any reason. But you can see it comes, this is what it looks like here. It looks like it comes in some different sizes. I don't know, I got an adjustable one, so hopefully it's okay. Let's check it out. So this is it here. I guess it's a little card for it. And this is what it looks like, check it out. So I got the kind of the charcoal color, so you can kind of see it there. And then it has a little headphone port here, if anybody still has headphones that have wires on them and they want to put their phone in there. But I don't have headphones like that. I have Bluetooth ones. So let's see, so let's open this up. And we'll see what we can fit in here. I have, oops, I dropped the thing. I have my passport. Let's see if the passport fits. Because I want to carry that around with me. Oh my gosh. Is this gonna go in there? Oh, it's got like two different sections inside of it. I guess it's so you can separate things. I'll put it in the front section, and yeah, that'll totally work. I got my COVID card too. I'll stick that in there. Let's see, I have my wallet. If I want to bring my whole wallet, let's see if that fits in there too. Probably wouldn't take the whole wallet. I'd probably just take some credit cards and money. But it does fit. Let's see how it fits around me. It's adjustable. Okay, how's it go? So it's adjustable, and I have it on a, it looks like it still could do another 6 or 8 inches or so. I'm not that fat, a little fat. But so there we go. So that's what it looks like. Boy, I feel it fits actually really good. I like it. This fits good, so I can carry around my stuff. I wouldn't carry it on the outside because then what would be the point? Someone would just murder me and take that. But if I went like this, there, now you don't even know I have it. Super secret. Unless you've watched this video, and now if you've seen this video and you followed me into these other countries, now you'll know that I have one of these things under here. And you can ask me to take off my clothes, and then you can see my my belt. Boy, is this weird. This is a weird video. But okay, so, I mean, it seems like it does what it says, and it was like $10. It was like the cheapest one I could possibly find. And let's see how it's made here. It's got, I'll show you guys here. So we got the zipper seems pretty good. I mean, I have it in there. I've got my wallet and my passport and my COVID card in there. And then it's got some mesh on there, I guess, so it'll kind of air itself out a little. And then it's got the little headphone port if you stuck your phone in there. Yeah, probably I'd stick my phone in there and I wouldn't have my whole wallet. I would just have my money and stuff and then this, and it would all fit okay. And then so it's got that, it's got the loop around here that's on this stuff here is bungee. And then it's got a pretty good hard loop in there, so it's gonna keep it from ripping and stuff. And this fabric seems pretty decent. And then the clip is adjustable here, and I have it set so it's still got a little bit more space left. And then we can clip it closed right there. And it's got a good clip to it, so I like it. And then so what I was talking about in here, where I put my, so let me see if I put my passport back in the front there, you can see, so there's my passport, but then it has this little extra little flap here, so I could put my COVID card or something like that right in the back if I wanted to. I'd probably put cash in there so I could easily get the cash and keep my passport in there too. So I like it. This is it again. It's the ANJ Outdoors. There it is there, running belt. Boy, am I tired. But there you go. You see it, and hope you guys liked it. Sorry if I was just falling asleep on this one here. Apparently I need a nap, but I like it. So thumbs up from me. I like this running belt, and I'm taking this. I'm using this for my passport when I go traveling. And if you need one for any particular reason, I would get this one here because it was the cheapest one I could find, and it actually looks pretty good. And it seems like it's gonna be nice and light and tight up against my body, so no one's really even gonna notice it's there. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you can, buy this one. If you wanna buy it, use the link down below. It would help me out a little bit, so I make a tiny little bit of money if you click on those links. But thanks for watching. Bye.